Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, Mongolian beef. Everything you need to make this recipe is going to be listed down in the description box. Let's get started. As a busy wife and mom of five, I'm always looking for quick and delicious recipes I can make for my family. This one is no exception. This recipe calls for 1.5 pounds of flank steak. I season mine and cut it against the grain. You also want to make sure you double this if you have a big family. Add your cornstarch and make sure you coat each piece that is inside of this bowl really well, and then you're going to set it aside for 15 minutes. While that's chilling, we're going to start working on our sauce. Add your soy sauce, water, and brown sugar to a saucepan. You're going to bring all of that to a boil until it's thickened. You're going to make sure that it's combined really well, and this whole process is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to add our flank steak in batches to our already heated vegetable oil, and we're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're brown and crispy on the side. As you're frying these batches, you want to make sure you reserve them on the side. Now comes the fun part. You're going to toss all of that meat back into the sauce and coat it really well, and then cook it over medium heat for about 1 minute, stirring and coating it. The last thing you're going to do is add in your red pepper flakes and your green onions and toss and remove it from the heat and serve. This night I actually served it with roasted broccoli, but you can use rice or any type of veggie of your choice. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like this recipe and if you want to see more recipes like this in the future. Thanks guys! As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.